안녕하세요. 헤라키친입니다. 오늘은 아침 식사나 브런치 메뉴로 좋은 스페니시 감자 오믈렛을 준비했습니다. 집에 있는 흔한 재료로 빠르고 쉽게 만들 수 있는 맛있는 감자 오믈렛 시작합니다.
Broken hearts and crazy rides. And when you hear the countdown, goodbye, oh dear. Thanks for being around. I feel the next one is going to slay, and it's a minute to midnight. People smiling and embracing, they are having a great time. You can read it on the face, if you feel minutes in the night. You're gonna wear a feeling blue, keep in the middle of the night. I'll be busy kissing you, and down the fire. What's gonna happen to you when you tell me why? Only to the rest can know. And it's a minute to midnight. People smiling and embracing, they are having a great time. You can read it on their faces. It's a minute to midnight. There's no way I'm feeling blue, 'cause in a minute at midnight I'd be busy kissing you. And it's a minute to midnight. People smiling and embracing, they are having a great time. You can read it on the faces. It's a minute to midnight. There's no way I'm feeling blue, 'cause in a minute at midnight I'd be busy kissing you. If you just look through the scintillating door, you're gonna see me there, just sitting on my own. I hear the people laugh, but I just check my clock. I've never been the best. We've mingled as more talk, and then I hear a crash behind my back. One glass of mulled wine rains down my jacket, then I see you blushing, and suddenly it's clear when I look at you that Christmas is here. You tell me, don't you think this place is looking crowded? And then you whisper in my ear, look, I'm not even sure. My mind's a little clouded, but it looks like Christmas is here.
You ask me about my sweater with Santa in space. I tell you it's a gift from the owner of this place.
And then you're looking up and tell me with a glow, it looks like we stand under a mistletoe. And then we feel a bump
behind our back,
somebody pushing you,
or the table cracks.
and then I'm thanking Santa,
This must be a sign,
'cause your funny space sweater
is now full of wine.
You tell me, don't you think this part is very loud? That's why you whisper in my ear,
Let's find another place and leave behind this crowd, and then I know that Christmas is here.
지금까지 시청해주신 여러분 감사합니다. 영상이 조금이라도 도움이 되셨다면 구독, 좋아요, 알람 설정까지 해놓으시면 다음 영상 놓치지 않고 보실 수 있습니다.